we can actually talk about adjectives. So here you can see we have a car here, and we have written some information about this car. And the first information is that its frame color, it's red, and it has 4 tires. So now in the image, like, see, in the first information, we have put red. So red is actually adjective. And in case of this second information, we just said that okay, it has 4 tires. This is not actually a very good information, which is not detailed information, because if I talk about tires, tires can be of so many types, right? Tires can be large, then tires can be slim, tires can be thick, then the tire can be small, right? So all these options, these are basically, you can say, adjective. So now if I pick any of this adjective and then if I actually put it here, then it will actually become more detailed information. So I can write that it has 4 big tires, right? So this information is actually much better than this information, because this is more detailed, this is more complete information. So that's the use of adjective. It actually gives us more details about a noun. And remember, you can use adjective only with nouns. You cannot use it with anything else. If you want to use adjective, then you have to use it like with respect to a noun. So let's see this one. In the previous slide, like this example, we were talking about cars, right? But car is a lifeless thing. Car doesn't have life. But we human, we actually have something called personality, right? For example, everyone's personality, it actually varies person to person. Some people, they're very rude, some people are friendly, some people are selfish, some people are very kind, and so on. So that actually, these all these things, all these personality traits, these are also actually adjectives. It talks about someone's characteristics, someone's qualities. So for example, suppose this is Miss Jane, and let's say she's my teacher. So now if someone asks me that, hey, you're a student of Miss Jane, so could you please tell me like what type of person she is? Then I can actually choose any of the personality traits according to what type of person she really is, and then I can say that Miss Jane is very friendly, or Miss Jane is very rude, right? That I can say. So now, as you can see, that we are using adjective to talk about someone's qualities, someone's characteristics. So it is actually helping us to give more detailed, more complete information about something or someone. So that's the use of adjective when we speak. Okay, so now let's talk about another important concept, which is adverb. So suppose this person is person A and this person is person B. Now both are actually doing the same thing. Both are reading books, right? But let's say the person B, she's reading very silently without making any noise. And let's say this person A, she's reading very loudly. Now both are doing the same thing, but their way of reading, their way of doing the task or doing the activity, that's completely opposite of one another. So these are basically adverb, because they're telling you how this person, like how person A and how person B are actually reading, how they're doing their task or how they're doing their activity. So that's the main concept of adverb. Adverb always gives you details about verb, details about how some type of work or how any activity or how any action gets done. So adverb talks about that thing. It's simple. Adjective, it actually gives us details about a noun. In case of adverb, that gives us details about a verb, how some action or how any task actually gets done. Adverbs talks about that. And you have to actually remember one thing, that most of the adverbs, they basically come from some adjective. So let's try some example. If I write, she is a silent reader. So here, silent is the adjective, and reader is someone who read. So we can say this is a noun. Reader is a noun. So silent, we are referring this to reader. So now if I try to say that she reads silently, now see that silently is actually working as adjective. Like no, not adjective. Sorry, this is working as adverb, because with by this silently, I'm actually talking about how she actually reads, right? So read is the verb, and what I said, adverb deals with verbs. So look, side from silent, I just add ly at the end, and then it become silently, which is adverb. So by modifying adjective, I actually got a new adverb. So that's why this, like Pope says, it's written. This line is written. That most of the adverbs, they come from adjective. So that's the case.